Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check your graphics card on Windows 10. So I'm going to be showing you two methods on how you can actually check this. So the first method is where you have to actually hold down. You're going to press in your Windows key together with R, and you're going to see this right here. So when you see this, you're going to just have to clear and actually type in VXDIAG and you're good to go. You click on OK and you're going to wait for another pop-up, right? And once you see another pop-up, you go straight to display where you see system display sound input. Go to display right here, and under device you're going to see name. So this name right there is your graphics card, right? So everything you need to know about your graphics card. So this is the first method, and the second method is actually where you click on this search bar and you click on settings, or just go right here, click on settings, and once your settings actually loads up, you're going to click on system and you're going to scroll down to about right here. Click on about and you're going to see your graphics card right here. So this is actually your graphics card right here. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.